Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, a Jew was selling his goods. He was not satisfied with the price being given to him. So he said, by him who selected Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam out of all human beings, I will not sell it at this price. An Ansari heard it. He got up and gave him a slap and said, you said that by him who chose Hazrat Moses alayhi salam out of all human beings, whereas the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam is amongst us. He went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam and submitted, O Abul Qasim, I am a dhimmi and under the guarantee of protection. What's about him who slapped me on my face? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam inquired, why did you slap him? He told him the whole story. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam got angry and the angry expressions were apparent on his face. Then he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, don't exalt prophets over one another, for when firstly the trumpet will be blown, all the creatures on the earth and heaven will faint, saves those whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has granted exception. Then the trumpet will be blown again. So first of all I will recover to see Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam holding the throne. I cannot say whether it will be the reward of his faint at Tur or he will have gained conscience before me. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3414.